Hey guys, what's up? Guess where we're at?
Not our family around.
No, we're at Lake Pleasant. Why are we at Lake Pleasant, honey?
Because we're camping this weekend with a bunch of friends and family. Because there was supposed to be this, what was it like?
There was supposed to be a boat race this weekend.
And they canceled it.
They canceled it.
But we decided to still come up.
Yep. That's why we're here.
I'm tired though. I spent the whole day at the zoo with the boys and Wyatt. We had a blast today. It was fun.
Was it?
Even though the boys, they're 17 and 15, they were like little boys out there.
I missed it.
You did, sorry.
I didn't get to pet the goats and the llamas and the giraffes.
Eat a giraffe.
Oh well.
It was fun. But now we're going to have a fun weekend.
Right. And do some dirt bike riding on Sunday because we got family and friends coming up.
Did you bring the RC trucks?
I did bring them. They are here somewhere in this mess.
That's Tyler's favorite thing to do. He loves RC trucks, so he'll be excited to run those this weekend.
Right. So, yeah, I gotta unpack tomorrow.
Unpack. We gotta work a couple days.
Yeah.
But it'll be a fun weekend. I'm excited. I'm ready for a nice, relaxing weekend, fun with family.
Right. It's kind of like a date night right now. It's just me and her.
Kinda.
All right. So, guess we're gonna end the night here. I'm gonna go make out with this woman. So, gotta let you go. We'll see you tomorrow.
What's going on, guys? Today is Saturday, and me and my dad went down to work today because I was supposed to work, but they didn't have me on the schedule. So I guess I get a day off, so I get to hang out with my mom. So we're gonna go I can't speak.
Dirt bike riding?
Yeah, we're gonna go dirt bike riding, guys. Then we're gonna go biking.
Biking, yes.
And you're gonna see how much.
We're gonna do that app and see how far we're gonna go.
Okay.
Cool?
Okay. So it should be fun. Are you excited that I got the day off?
I am. I don't have to ride by myself.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Bye.
Mom, having fun?
Yeah.
With that hill?
I climbed it.
Listen, I ran up it, okay? I'm a trooper. I ain't bike riding up that thing. I couldn't even get started.
You gotta stand up and push.
No, I was falling back down. You want me to go into that dirty water?
No. Go up this one. Come on.
Okay, let's go. A bigger one. Now, watch, I'm gonna beat it this time. What happened?
Oh, you beat me. I can't get these stupid gears right.
Yeah, this one goes faster.
That bike's light.
Man, guys, I need some exercise. I'm out of breath. Mom, I'm dying. Just kidding. It's fun though. We got this thing right here. Hang on. This is what we're running at here. So, are you going back down? Anyway, we're having fun.
Huh?
Look at that view though.
Oh, shh.
Are you having fun?
Yes, are you?
Yeah, let's go. What's going on, guys? We're back from our bike ride. And listen, guys. I play video games a lot, okay? I do not get exercise, as you guys could probably tell. But I think I'm getting a mountain bike for sure now because I need it. I need one. Because we rode like 4 miles. I'm sore. And she wants to go again. But I'm telling her, I go, Mom, you work out every day. You look good, Mom.
Hi.
You look good.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Working out is good. It's good for you.
I know,
Feel good.
but you're just like, it didn't bother you.
Stop.
It didn't bother her. So, she's doing good. I'm proud of you, Mom.
Thanks, Ty. Now we gotta get you a bike.
Yeah, I gotta get a bike. Now I gotta start working out again. I went to football practice. That was good work. That was whenever I was like starting to lose a lot of weight. And then I gained it back because it was over. So, should be fun.
We're gonna go for bike rides now.
The only thing I need a comfortable seat, guys. Freaking hurts my butt. Man, and then like, I don't know, going up hills, you're like,
We could wrap a towel around the bike for you.
Yeah, dude. I kind of got a bony butt. That was fun though, Mom.
Bony butt. It's
We gotta
fun.
start riding as a
Yep.
family. You got. Wait, did you like your bike?
Yeah.
You can start using
I
that.
forgot I have that Coca-Cola mountain bike, so.
Now we can all
that'd
go.
be fun.
Well, you can still use mine that I get.
Yeah, true.
So,
All right, cool. Fun little bike ride.
no, only Dad was with us today. He's working.
Hey, Tanner.
Anyway, that's a fun bike ride. Thanks, Mom. Okay, so now my mom's getting creative, and look what she made. She made some popcorn and Chex Mix. Good job, Mom. Just
Thanks.
kidding. You made flatbread pizzas.
These are good.
And you got some in here, right?
Yes.
Too.
I spilled. Look at all that smoke.
You spilled smoke?
I spilled smoke.
Oh gosh.
It's bad.
Yeah.
They're not burning. It'll be okay. Fans on.
It looks good.
It's good. They're healthy. Get out of here. You ready?
Yeah. Time for a quick ride. Show Mark around here. He's never been here, so we're gonna go part around out in the desert there.
Okay. Mark's ready. I hate that thing. The exhaust. Ready?
Because the handlebars are off. They're going this way.
Well, just do it like we used to with bicycles.
Yeah.
Put your legs
I gotta
in,
loosen
turn
everything. I need to take you for a ride still, Joy.